have Continental ECM. The car is Volkswagen Vento 2015 diesel. The issue is fuel temperature sensor. It is not giving reference voltage to the sensor. So let's diagnose it. So our technician Shetty is using a prescribed solution to loosen the gum. So finally we have opened the ECM, as you can see here. So let's diagnose the problem. So let's get into the next procedure. So from the car part, so we have tracked the which pin number is the fuel temperature sensor located in the board. We diagnose this pin and track the watch what component has been affected. So now we are going to line track. So as we can see the coupler, the female part, the smaller one. So we have got now which pin the fuel temperature sensor is. So we are doing line tracking and finding which suitable component we have to replace it.
ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾಲ್ಟು ಅದೇ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಕುಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದಪ್ಪ ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Before removing, so we have tracked the line of fuel temperature. So we have found the component. Before proceeding it, please take pictures. Now we are checking the values of the capacitor. We are now desoldering the lead which was present below the capacitor. So it will be very helpful for us to check the if damage or not. So after removing the diodes, so we have checked the values and the values are also good and the diode is also good. So besides that we found that there is one resistor here. So this is being short. Let's change this component. We have replaced this damaged resistor, as you can see. The resistor with 2051. Let's hope the problem is solved. So we have fixed back the capacitor. As you can see, the problem has been solved of fuel temperature sensor circuit low. So hopefully the customer is satisfied. Thank you.